The super yacht Sub-3 is a state-of-the-art private submarine, meticulously crafted by U-Boat Works to complement super yachts, offering owners an unparalleled opportunity to explore the underwater world with exceptional comfort and safety. Design and comfort. This compact submersible is engineered to accommodate a pilot and 2 passengers, allowing dives to depths of up to 300 meters, approximately 1,000 feet. Its fully acrylic, hyperhemispherical viewport ensures an unobstructed panoramic view, immersing occupants in the marine environment. Inside, the submarine boasts luxurious leather seating, customizable to individual preferences, and a powerful air conditioning system with adjustable airflow for each seat. For added convenience, a high-fidelity Bluetooth sound system and a cold storage box for refreshments enhance the onboard experience. U-Boat Works. Performance and specifications. The super yacht Sub-3 is powered by advanced lithium-ion battery technology, providing maintenance-free operation and quick recharging capabilities. It features 4 6-kilowatt thrusters, enabling a top speed of 3 knots and excellent maneuverability, with a length of 320 centimeters, width of 244 centimeters, height of 174 centimeters, and a weight of 3,800 kilograms. This submersible is designed for seamless integration with superyachts, facilitated by a single lifting point for efficient launch and recovery. The submarine offers an impressive endurance of up to 12 hours, ensuring ample time for underwater exploration. U-Boat Works. Innovations and safety features. Recent upgrades to the super yacht Sub-3 include enhanced thrusters for smoother and more precise control, as well as an improved ultra-short baseline USBL system. This system provides real-time GPS information overlaid with navionics maps, aiding in accurate navigation and obstacle avoidance. Safety is paramount, with features such as a safety buoy that marks the submarine's position on the surface and a freeboard extender, a sliding barrier that increases the distance between the hatch and the waterline, allowing operation in rough conditions and storage in low-height garage spaces. U-Boat Works. Versatility and integration. Designed with the yachting industry in mind, the super yacht Sub-3's compact size and flexible lifting points make it one of the most easily integrated submersibles available. Its lightweight construction ensures it can be accommodated on a wide range of superyachts without significant modifications. The submarine is also equipped with a Marlin remote control, allowing surface maneuvering when not on board, and can be fitted with additional features, such as a manipulator arm and imaging sonar for specialized missions.